Today I am tackling that dark, dingy hole under the sink. I'm at my mom's house today and she has really good organizers under her sink, but it's just not practical for using them under the sink, so I'm going to conquer that clutter using some very affordable and practical organization storage. First stop, Walmart. Walmart has some pretty amazing organizers for just about everything you can imagine, like this wire basket is used for veggies, but it can easily be used under the kitchen sink because they are stackable. These stackable bins caught my eyes because they were large and they were under $6. Use airtight containers to keep your items dry. These were my old containers that I used on my old baking cart, if you guys remember. So I upcycled them and placed my mom's items inside she already had. And I used peel and stick letters for labeling. So here's a tip: if you're going to tackle this job, remove items from its original packaging because it eats up a ton of space, and place them in containers. These containers were $3.99 and they are from HomeGoods. These containers has to be my all-time favorite from my favorite store, IKEA. They have several different sizes from small to large. They're white and clean looking and you can use them in your pantry, in your laundry room. I'm using one to store mom's garbage bags inside. It's big and wide and deep, perfect for her trash bags. Again, using peel and stick labels to keep them organized. I snagged a pack of Walmart washcloths and mom can use them for her dishes. 18 came in a pack but under $4. I use them in my kitchen as well because they are very easy to clean and you're getting 18 of them. Come on, you cannot beat that. I neatly placed them in her container she already had, and I love that there's a handle that she can pull out when she needs one. Here's the before. Everything was crammed in. She had to do a little work to get what she needed. Now it's organized, functional, and very practical. Here's just a few of the boxes that I emptied. See how much space it takes up. In a stackable bins, I have her daily and weekly items she uses on top, and on the bottom I have her Swiffer pads. On the other side, her dish tabs, sponges, magic eraser, and garbage disposal cleaner, and her dish towels, and the container you can get from Big Lots for about $2. Below I have her garbage bags underneath for easy access. Mom's old school. She loved to occasionally wash her dishes, so I purchased this collapsible dish rack for only $15. It's perfect for if you have limited countertop space, and it holds up to 8 plates, and it collapses for easy storage when it's not in use. For $2, you can tame the crowd of bottles by adding a curtain tension rod. It's a great use of wasted space for your spray bottles. Another great use of wasted space is to use over-the-door storage. Mom has had this unit already, but it wasn't being used to its full potential, so I'm using it to place her items that she uses the most, like her sink cleaner and her all-purpose cleaner and her glass cleaner from Grove Collaborative. I will have a link down below if you'd like to purchase Grove's cleaners and more. I had no idea small single-use steel wood pads existed. Mom has saved a few of her spaghetti jars and I was like, why? She said because it's a mason jar. See, it says mason. I'm so glad she did because you can use this to put your pads inside. This is a great alternative if you're low on money. In case you missed it, I organized a few trouble spots in my mom's kitchen cabinets and added some affordable storage solutions in her drawers, and I will have that link down below if you'd like to see a tour. So I hope this has inspired you to get your kitchen into shape, and I want to thank you all for watching.